B&D are proud to present the features, innovations and benefits of our impressive Panelift range. Panelift Icon. The Panelift Icon has all the innovations of new Panelift, but with additional features and benefits. These include another 4 profiles: Nullarbor Textured or Smooth, Madrid, Torino and Federation. We use stainless steel cables for added protection in corrosive environments. The bottom rail weather seal carrier is visibly different and adds additional strength while still offering the same weather protection. In addition to the larger diameter wheels, the Icon features the Smooth Track system, which consists of linked double wheels, providing an even quieter and smoother operation. There is also the option of small or large radius, glass reinforced, polypropylene curves for smooth operation in situations where headroom is limited. The high-quality springs are designed for 20,000 cycles. Our combo spring anchor brackets add more strength and present a neater appearance. The Icon range features full perimeter seals for complete weather protection. Options include Insul Shield, which adds the benefit of insulation from heat, cold, noise pollution and provides added strength. The finishes include timber coat or knotwood for a wood look without the maintenance of real timber, plus many other powder coat colours from the standard Dulux range. We offer a 5-year parts and labour warranty when coupled with a B&D opener and an option to increase to 7 years subject to terms and conditions. B&D Panelift Icon with Insul Shield and Lux Design. This combination includes all the benefits of the new Panelift and Panelift Icon range with the addition of insulation. Lux Design offers a unique range of Dulux colour finishes for a contemporary and timeless finish.